So now let's start by working on the skill model. First thing we need to do is to go to the models.py and to create a class called skills or skill models.model. This skill model has two attributes. The first one is the name, max length 100, and then we have percentage, that is models.integer field. And since we need this skill to be between 0 and 100, so in this case from Django.core.exceptions import validation error and define validate underscore range, that it takes a value, and if value is negative or value greater than 100, so in this case raise validation error of the value must be between 0 and 100. Okay, great. And here I will say validators equal validate range, and then def okay, fine. So we completed the models.py. Let's go to the admin.py. First thing, from .models import skill, then class skill admin admin.model admin list underscore display is the following: name and percentage. One last thing, admin.site.register of skill with skill admin. Great. Now what we can do is okay, done. Views from models import skill and here we go. Okay, so I think here we completed everything. Let's go to the admin panel and insert some records. So run server. Okay, now we are here, and I already inserted my records because it's a useless procedure to insert them, and we spend some time just by inserting records. But what I want to show you is that this is a test skill and it has a -1 value, so when I try to save it, it will raise a validation error that the value must be between 0 and 100. Okay, now let's continue. Before starting, I just want to show you something very important about the skills here. Well, the idea is that, as you can see, the skills are divided into two main columns. So let me open the inspect element in order to show you the idea. So we are here, we have two main sections for the title and skill row skills dash content. So this is it, and inside of it we have two columns. So our data is going to be divided between these two columns. So what I'm going to do is that inside this div I will open for loop, and then if the ID is, for example, even, I will put it on the left. I will put the skill on the left instead, or otherwise I will put it on the right. So if else. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. Let's start. So first thing, let me get rid of all these skills because it's going to be just one single block that is repeated. Same here. And now I will start from here, and I will say for skill in skills, then if skill.id pipe be visible, here it is, by 2. So in this case what you need to do is to show me the skill.name and the value that is here, skill.percentage. Now if it is not this one, so it is else, and then the same procedure, copy paste and copy paste, and here I need to first close the if and then close the loop, save, and go back here and refresh the page, and here we go. Now we have the skills here dynamic, so they can be adjusted or modified by the admin panel and rendered dynamically in our template. Thank you so much.